The Fluke TLK-220 test lead kit brings together a well-chosen mix of probes, alligator clips, and silicone leads that cover most industrial measurement tasks without needing extra accessories. Its components are rated for demanding 1000-volt Category 3 and 600-volt Category 4 environments, which inspires confidence when working on heavy-duty electrical systems. The SureGrip style handles and insulated accessories feel secure in the hand, reducing slips when you are probing crowded panels or awkward terminals. Both standard and large jaw alligator clips are included, making it easy to latch onto everything from fine conductors to chunky bus bars and motor lugs. The Slim Reach Test probes with 4mm tips allow precise contact on tight terminal blocks while still maintaining solid electrical connection. A spacious zippered soft case with a movable divider keeps the meter and all accessories organized and protected, making the kit convenient to carry between job sites.